always we have a solution with this. Can you imagine beautiful keema fry, and then you are going to have it with garlic tomato rasam? I'm telling you, this is one of the great combination. We make these kind of rasams, and with mutton fry, with keema fry, we make various things and people just love it. You will go Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com, and today we're going to make nice keema aloo matar. Only in the step, the way we make it can be extremely tasty or it can be just average. First, we're going to put the keema in the pressure cooker, and we want the keema to be nicely cooked. After which, we're going to cook in a pan where we're going to dry it out along with potato and green peas. I don't even need to add oil to this. Add onion. In this, add water. By the time the keema is also cooked in a pressure cooker, the onions also will be nicely mashed. In hotels, we make a lot of gravies where the onions are just boiled for a long time and made into a paste, and we're going to get the similar effect, and the meat is going to be very tasty. In this, add some ginger garlic paste, and in this we're going to add some nutmeg powder. See, nutmeg powder, it is used in a lot of the kebabs. For this meat, it will give a very nice aroma. Here we're going to add the mutton keema, and we're going to cook this on a slow flame. Do not add too much water. If you add too much water, again you will be left with a lot of water. This much water should be good enough. Put the lid on. Let us give it nice 15 minutes of slow cooking. Along with this keema, we're going to make a nice rasam. For this, again, in the water, we're going to add onion. This is going to be nice extraction of the flavors into the rasam, and some chopped ginger. Take these tomatoes, just squeeze this tomatoes and let them boil like this till they are nicely soft. That means you should be able to strain out its nice flavors and juices. Now I have squeezed all the tomato pulp, everything, and I got this nice juices with which we're going to make garlic rasam. We're going to add some oil in a pan. In this, we're going to do the tempering of mustard seeds, cumin seeds. The flavor from the onion, ginger, everything is there in this liquid here. In this, add garlic and add curry leaf, some turmeric, some chili powder, some rasam powder. Mix all of this and pour this tomato. Your awesome, the garlic tomato rasam is ready. In this, we're going to add salt. You have to see the nice aroma here. Add some chopped coriander. You don't need to boil any much. This rasam, we're going to keep it on the side, and then we're going to make the keema. In the pressure cooker, the keema is nicely boiled. You can see that the onion, I've chopped the onion and added, and this totally disappeared. This keema, when you cook it in the oil here, it will become very, very tasty. For this, we're going to add some oil in a pan. In the oil, we're going to add the potatoes. These potatoes will make sure that the masala what I am adding will not burn. First, cut the potatoes small so that they get cooked faster. Just saute it for a minute, and after which I'm going to show you what to do. Once you fry these potatoes for a minute, they will get cooked very fast. In this, we're going to add turmeric, the chili powder, some fennel powder. This will give very nice sweet flavor to this. And in this, we're going to add a little bit of pepper powder, some garam masala, and in this, we're going to add the keema. Whatever we've cooked, we've added in this. This keema already has that nice nutmeg flavor. We're going to fry this till this becomes nice and thick. And the potatoes will be done perfectly. Keema is cooked. You have to adjust how much time the keema will take, how much time potato will take, and the green peas, what I'm going to add. They're already, boiled green peas, so we're going to add in this. We're going to add some green chili and finish it off with coriander. You can make this spicy. Already I added crushed pepper. If you want to add some chili powder, go ahead and add it, and this will be super tasty along with my garlic and tomato rasam. Now it will be slowly start frying in the oil. This is when you can add some chopped coriander to it, and let this chopped coriander also fry it in it, so that this will give a very nice strong flavor. I want the strong flavor of keema with the nice beautiful garlic rasam along with the rice. It will be super. On slow cooking, this potatoes, everything is done, and my keema is perfectly ready. So let's go ahead and serve it. Look at this keema preparation, whatever I have done. This is beautiful, perfect and dry. Look, the potato pieces, even though I have cut them nice and small, these ones are perfectly cooked like this and perfect. First, let's taste this keema. This is perfect with roti, rumali roti, naan, anything, and this will taste just amazing. With every bite, I'm telling you, the pepper gives a very nice flavor, and the nutmeg I added. Usually in the kebabs and all that we add nutmeg. In this keema, add it and you see the difference. What is even more beautiful? The combination. You can make the best of the best food, but if you know how to eat the combination, then you will enjoy the life. The rasam is way too hot, but always we have a solution with this. This has got so much, it's so potent and so tasty. And this one, I'm telling you, make this rasam and you will just love. This is one of the best rasams ever made. Drink off all the top rasam, then add some keema in the center. This is godly food. This is so tasty, so yummy, and this is best food ever. Make it, eat it, and you will no doubt say, whatever. Share these recipes with your family and friends and let them also enjoy great food. Keep saying whatever. And me, I'm just loving doing all these recipes for you.